On today's video, I continue work on the 61 Dodge Dart. Hello everybody, my name is Patrick and this is Dad Life Projects. Today I'm going to continue work on the brakes, on the front drum brakes, by prepping them and then painting them. So let's get to work. Alright, I'm going to start out one of my drums here. I got my grinder here. I got a wire wheel on it, or a wire brush. And every time I do stuff like this with a power tool, I usually try to use gloves, some hearing protection, and a shield. So let's get to work. Try to get a wire brush to get the tight spots here, if I can. Now on the inside, I'm just going to do a quick one because I'm not going to paint the inside. So, let me see if I can do this without hurting myself. I'm gonna go ahead and take some very fine sandpaper. I think it's P320. I don't know. Yeah. And I'm gonna go ahead. I just wanted to show you what an hour of work can do for you. This is the old one with nothing done to it. This is the one I just did. Took me about an hour. Let me go ahead. I wasn't looking to get everything. It's not perfect. I didn't want to. I wanted to get all the rough stuff off, the flaky stuff, everything like that. And if you look at the drum itself, that thing's perfectly smooth. There's no grooves, nothing like that. I don't think I'm even going to take them in to get turned. I think I'm just going to get them nice and smooth with sandpaper and everything, and I think I'll use them that way. Let's turn it over. Like I said, it's not perfect, but it also don't look like this one. So that one's pretty much ready to paint. I can clean up a little bit more, maybe wipe it down and stuff, but I think it's ready to paint. So I just wanted to show you that. Now I'm going to start on the second one here. Next thing I'm going to do is my backing plates. These look pretty good. I'm just going to knock off any stuff that's hanging on there. I'm not going to do as good of a job as I did on my drums. So. I wanted to come in and just show you how they turned out. I think they look about 100 times better easily. Like, these are just going to be painted, so they don't have to be perfect. Same thing with the outside of these. I showed you before the one that wasn't done and one was, and it took me a lot less time. You know, it just amazes me of what you could do with just a few hours of of work, just getting it all cleaned up. Here's my the things, the hardware that holds the springs and the shoes and the wheel cylinders. I'm not gonna paint those. They're clean, they're nice. No one's ever gonna see them. There's no point in painting them. These are the wheel cylinders out of it. Now, I couldn't get them out. I would say they're corroded in there. I could probably get a drill, put a drill bit through there and maybe yank it out. But you know what? I still need bleeders for these, for a few of them, because they broke off. And new ones are like $10. So I'm just gonna buy new ones and send the repair kits back. The repair kits were like $5. So it's just pointless going through all this work when I don't have to, and I can have brand new ones. So that's what I'm doing. I already ordered them. Hopefully they'll be here in a week or so. I'm hoping, but I'm not sure. Right now, I'm gonna go ahead and clean all the dust and everything off of the backing plates, and then I'm gonna start painting them. I'm gonna go ahead and try to get a couple, like 3 coats on here, but it's pretty windy. We're gonna see how it does, if it's gonna spray me in the face or what's gonna happen. Alright, I just wanted to show you what they look like when they're all clean, and I think they came out very nice. I didn't get to put them together because I didn't get the wheel cylinders yet. I still have those on order, but that's what they look like. They turned out pretty nice. Alright, like I was saying before, I'm still waiting for the masters, the wheel cylinders to come in, and then I'll put them all together and put them on the shelf until I'm ready to use them. But with that being said, join me next week for a new video. Also, follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Dad Life Projects, or email me at dadlifeprojects@gmail.com. Since you're here, why don't you check out these 2 videos right here. Hit that subscribe button down below, also that notification bell, and remember, any project you do, you are the project manager. Thank you.